Today we're going to shoot a comparison video between my 1941 B-3 bomber jacket and my B-9 Scout bomber. Again, they're both great looking jackets. I've had this one for 2 years. This one I just recently got. I'm here wearing my 1941 Pearl Harbor B-3 bomber jacket from Cockpit USA. I've had this one now for a couple years. It comes in the traditional russet brown leather with the horsehide accents on both the arms and for the pocket here. It's a great jacket. I really like it. It's very warm. Keeps me extremely warm in our winters here in Minnesota. Cockpit USA does have a big Black Friday sale going on right now. Their friends and family sale. It's 15% off. I think it goes until Monday, December 1st. Let me try on the B9 here in just a moment. Again, you get a look at some of the features. We got the horsehide reinforcements on the arm. We've got the really thick straps take it in the waist and for the collar. Again, it's an extremely warm jacket. It's made out of an antique shearling, so it looks like it's been around that long. Again, it's a beautiful jacket. I'm out here wearing the B-9 Scout bomber jacket. I really like this jacket. A few of the things that set it apart from the B-3 is these zippers on the sleeve here. They're kind of nice because you can unzip them if you put on a pair of gloves and then zip it down over the gloves without having to stuff them in. It also has this bi-swing back, which the B-3 doesn't have, which really gives you a lot better movement. You know, if you're going to be riding a motorcycle, you know, my sleeves don't pull up, or a snowmobile. If you're going to be out shoveling, you can see how nice that bi-swing back moves. And then it also has the hand warmer pockets here, which is something the traditional B-3 doesn't have. I mean, they make newer versions of them with hand pockets, but the 1941 is true to what the real B-3 had, and it didn't have the side hand warmer pockets. Again, this is a beautiful jacket. I just did a below zero hike in it the other day with my dogs. Kept me extremely warm with a t-shirt on underneath. Shot at some different angles. Again, that bi-swing back is really nice. Both are beautiful jackets. If I had to pick one, I would probably take the B9, just because for me, I'm very active when I'm out doing stuff, and that bi-swing back again is just a game changer when it comes to ease of movement, especially when you're wearing a big heavy shearling jacket like this. Like, subscribe, and share. Check out Cockpit USA's friends and family sale for 15% off. Black Friday goes through till December 1st on Monday. Highly recommend Cockpit USA. See ya.
Thanks for watching. Check out our merch store down below.